If you publish on Instagram, TikTok, X, or YouTube, there's now a way to see how people discover your content through Google Search. Google Search Console recently introduced platform properties, and in this tutorial, we'll walk through exactly how to set one up. A platform property is a separate Search Console view for one social account or video channel. It answers one specific question: how did people discover your content through Google? You will see Google Search clicks, impressions, queries, and average position. You will not see in-app views, likes, comments, or followers. That's what Instagram Insights, TikTok Analytics, and YouTube Studio are for. Currently, Google supports Instagram, TikTok, X, and YouTube. One account equals one platform property. Before you start, have your Google Search Console login ready, plus the login for the exact social account you want to measure. You also need permission to approve the connection. If a client or colleague owns the account, have them present. And importantly, you do not need to own a website to create a platform property. Step 1. Open Google Search Console and sign in with the Google account you want to use for reporting. Step 2. Open the Add Property screen. If you already use Search Console, click the Property selector and choose Add Property. Step 3. Choose the platform: Instagram, TikTok, X, or YouTube. At this stage, you're choosing the type of account, not connecting a specific profile yet. Step 4. Sign in to the exact social account or channel. Read the account name on screen carefully before approving.
Do not rush the step.
Search Console will report on the account you authorize, not the account you meant to choose. Step 5. When authorization succeeds, click Go to Property and confirm the correct account is selected in the Property selector. Step 6. Wait for data. It can take a few days for reports to populate. Start with the performance report for clicks and impressions. Then open Insights for a quick read on recent trends and top content. And check achievements for Google Search click milestones. When reading your first data, start with the default 28-day range. In performance, look at clicks, impressions, CTR, and average position. Then dig into queries to see what people searched, and content to identify which posts or videos earned the traffic. A quick tip: don't expect every post to show up here. This report measures Google discovery, not everything you've published on the platform. 3 common issues.
1.
You don't see the platform options. This feature is rolling out gradually, so check back later.
2.
The authorization selected the wrong account. Stop before approving, sign out, and restart with the correct account.
3.
The property is verified but empty. Wait a few days. A post with many in-app views may have no Search Console data if it didn't appear in Google Surfaces. Pick one account, get the connection right, and let the data arrive. Then ask yourself, which of my posts already help people searching on Google? That's the real value of connecting your social accounts to Google Search Console. You're not trying to rank every post. You're learning what already earns discovery so your next ideas can be more deliberate.